Here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time to announce the winner of the Zpacks Insane giveaway. Let's go. Okay, so about a week ago I announced that I was going to be giving away this insane amount of Zpacks gear, and loads of you, over 300 or so of you, actually commented on the video entering into the competition. So without further ado, I'm just going to go on a little bit of software on my laptop online. I'll put a screen recording up and everything, and I'm just going to filter out the comments and pick the winner. So this is all like done completely random. Those of you might have remembered my last big giveaway, which was the Atom Packs Atom Plus last year. So I'm just gonna hit screen record. So you should be able to see that up on the screen right now. I'm gonna click get YouTube comments. Whoa, over 300. And then I think all we have to do is click this start button and we are good to go. Okay. Good luck everybody, 3, 2, 1, boom. And the winner is Sean Spencer. Well done Sean, you are the winner of all of that incredible Zpacks gear. Thank you all so much for entering into the competition, for subscribing. It's been an absolute pleasure over the last few years creating all this content for you. I really love doing these giveaways, so yeah, let's look forward to more giveaways just like this in the future. Sean, please can you, I'll tell you what I'll do Sean, I'll message you in your comment, I'll find it down below, and then I will send you my email. If you could then reply and we can go from there and I can send you the gear right away. Thanks again everyone, thumbs if you liked this video, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.